A failing marriage can have a devastating impact on a child's relationship with their grandparents. If one spouse interferes or prevents the other spouse's parents from seeing the children out of spite or to exert emotional leverage during the divorce, both the children and the grandparents suffer. Arguably, the relationship between a child and their grandparents is second in emotional importance only to that of the parents. Georgia law recognizes just how important it is for children to maintain a healthy relationship with their grandparents. Grandparents can seek court-ordered visitation by intervening as a party in a pending divorce, adoption, or modification of custody action. Grandparents can even pursue visitation rights by filing their own action under certain circumstances. In determining whether or not to award a grandparent court-ordered visitation, the judge must do a two-part analysis. First, the court must consider what's in the child's best interest. Secondly, the court must assess whether the child's health or welfare would suffer harm if the child is not allowed visitation with their grandparent. If both requirements are met, the court will award the grandparents visitation. In considering whether the health or welfare of a child would be harmed if he or she is not allowed visitation with their grandparents, the court must consider whether prior to pursuing legal action, the child lived with the grandparents for 6 months or more, the grandparents provided financial support for the basic needs of the child for at least 1 year, there was an established pattern of regular visitation, or the grandparents provided child care. Any other existing circumstances that would indicate emotional or physical harm would likely result if such visitation is not granted. What the court is looking for is an established, healthy relationship between the grandparents and the minor child. Judges believe a child's relationship with their grandparents should not suffer or be compromised simply because their parents are going through a divorce or custody battle. We help people going through a divorce protect what's most important to them, their children, their assets, and their future. Contact us today to schedule a consultation.